Liverpool in no rush to sell misfiring attacker this summer. Liverpool reportedly have no plans to entertain the sale of Darwin Núñez during the summer transfer window. Despite Sunday's 4-2 victory over Tottenham Hotspur in the Premier League, Liverpool have endured a disappointing end to the 2023-24 campaign. Prior to the aforementioned win, Jurgen Klopp's side had collected just 5 points from as many matches, subsequently ending their title challenge. Part of that has been down to Liverpool's efforts in the final third. Although chances continue to be created with regularity, opportunities have been frequently squandered. Núñez has been particularly guilty of losing his way in the final third, scoring just one Premier League goal since March 10 and going 13 appearances in all competitions, having netted just twice. Liverpool to keep faith in Núñez. As a result, stronger criticism has gone the way of the Uruguay international, which has led to the forward deleting any photos associated to Liverpool on his official Instagram page. On X, formerly known as Twitter, a supporter account Watch LFC also revealed that Núñez had blocked them, despite seemingly offering support to the 24-year-old. Nevertheless, according to the Daily Mail, Liverpool do not intend to entertain offers for Núñez during the summer transfer window. The report suggests that the Merseyside Giants plan to keep faith in the attacker, who will be plying his trade under a different manager next season should he remain at Anfield. Furthermore, it is noted that Liverpool are aware that they are not in a position to generate a fee for Núñez that would see them recoup the fee, that could rise to £85 million, that they shelled out for the player in 2022. Has Núñez's contribution really been that bad? Regular watchers of Liverpool will highlight without hesitation why they have grown frustrated with Núñez's form in the final third. The belief being that they would be far closer to Arsenal and Manchester City had he converted more opportunities. That said, this is still a player that has contributed 11 goals and 8 assists in the Premier League this season. A further 7 goals and 5 assists coming in other competitions. A return of 20 goals and 11 assists from 63 Premier League appearances is also respectable enough, yet the disappointment stems from what could have been given that Núñez often gets himself into the right positions. In terms of shots taken, Núñez has had 106 efforts in this season's Premier League. Only Erling Haaland, who has 25 goals, has had more with 112 attempts. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to click the subscribed button and hit the bell icon for more.